Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit above $500 on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description. Make sure you sign up and get involved today. Welcome to our in-depth look at one of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, Ripple Labs, XRP. In this presentation we'll explore its history, underlying technology, use cases and potential future developments. Founded in 2012 by Jed McCaleb, Chris Larsen and Arthur Brito, Ripple aims to enable seamless global financial transactions through its blockchain-based platform. Unlike many cryptocurrencies, Ripple does not rely on proof-of-work or proof-of-stake consensus algorithms. Instead, it utilizes a unique consensus algorithm called proof of correctness. This allows for faster transaction times and lower fees compared to traditional cryptocurrencies. Ripple's primary product, XCurrent, is a messaging system that facilitates cross-border payments between financial institutions. By using Ripple's network, banks can settle transactions in real time, reducing costs and improving customer experience. We've been testing XCurrent for a few months now and we're impressed with the results. Our transaction times have significantly decreased and our customers are happier than ever. Ripple offers two additional products, XRapid and XVIA. XRapid uses XRP as a bridge currency to provide liquidity for cross-border transactions, while XVIA enables businesses to send payments through Ripple's network without needing to implement complex blockchain technology. As of today, XRP is the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Despite its success, it has faced criticism from some large crypto community members who argue that it's too centralized and not truly decentralized like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Recently, the price action has had an absolute surge regarding the success in the lawsuit against Ripple Labs and the firing of Gary Gensler, the SEC chair in America, who was famously anti-crypto and very damaging to the space in America. Ripple has made significant strides in the financial sector, but its centralization remains a concern for some investors. However, Ripple's focus on solving real-world issues sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. Ripple has formed partnerships with over 300 financial institutions, including Santander, American Express, and MoneyGram. The company has also collaborated with organizations like Swift and the World Bank to promote financial innovation and inclusion. Over the years, XRP's price has fluctuated significantly, with peaks and troughs tied to the market conditions and regulatory news. However, Ripple's underlying technology and use cases have remained steady, positioning it for the long-term growth. The price has recently tapped the all-time high and looked very strong even in the face of significant volatility across the market because of Donald Trump tariff policies. Overall, XRP is a very interesting cryptocurrency and one of the most well-connected in the entire space in regards of actual real-world utility and partnerships. If Ripple Labs can position themselves effectively in their market, that could mean significant gains for the XRP token in the future. That's it for our deep dive on XRP. To learn more about how Ripple is revolutionizing global transactions or to explore investment opportunities, you can check out our other videos and their website for significant details. Please like and subscribe and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.